Right then, team. Are you ready for an adventure back in time? I'm talking millions and millions of years ago, long before any people were around. This was a world ruled by giants, the most incredible creatures to have ever walked our planet. I am, of course, talking about dinosaurs. Imagine a world with towering trees, strange plants, the ground shaking with every single footstep of these magnificent beasts. It was a wild, untamed place, and we're about to dive right in. So strap on your adventure boots and get ready to explore the lost world of the dinosaurs. It's going to be absolutely epic. Now, when you think of dinosaurs, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Is it the massive, terrifying Tyrannosaurus Rex with its bone-crunching jaws? Or maybe it's the gentle, long-necked Brachiosaurus munching on leaves from the tallest trees. Those are some of the most famous dinosaurs, and they are truly awesome. But the world of dinosaurs was so much bigger and more varied than you could ever imagine. What an incredible lineup of animals. Let's bust a myth right away. Not all dinosaurs were giant lumbering brutes. In fact, some were surprisingly small. Take the Compsognathus, about the size of a modern turkey. It would have scurried through the undergrowth with sharp eyes and quick speed, chasing insects, chasing small lizards. Imagine a flock dashing through your back garden. Here's a surprising fact. Many dinosaurs had feathers. Yes, feathers. Not just bird ancestors, even relatives of T.rex, Yutyrannus, a smaller T.rex cousin from China, covered in long, shaggy feathers. Feathers not for flight, feathers for warmth, like a fuzzy coat. This changes how we picture them. Forget gray scales. Colorful, fluffy, feathery. Dinosaurs showed wild variety. Think Stegosaurus. When it comes to dinner, dinosaurs had two main choices on the menu: plants, other animals. The plant eaters are called herbivores, and they came in all shapes and sizes. To deal with tough, fibrous plants, many of them had amazing adaptations. The Triceratops, with its 3 famous horns and bony frill, had a powerful beak at the front of its mouth for snipping off tough vegetation. Further back in its jaw, it had hundreds of teeth stacked on top of each other in what we call a dental battery, perfect for slicing and grinding up its food. It was like having a pair of garden shears and a food processor built right into its head. Then you have the carnivores, the meat-eaters. These were the hunters of the dinosaur world. The most famous, of course, is Tyrannosaurus rex. This apex predator was built for the hunt. Its skull was enormous and incredibly strong, designed to withstand massive forces. After ruling the Earth for over 150 million years, something happened. About 66 million years ago, the dinosaurs, along with many other species, vanished in an event we call a mass extinction. For a long, long time, this was one of the biggest mysteries in science. What could possibly be powerful enough to wipe out these incredible creatures across the globe? Paleontologists scratched their heads for decades, examining clues in rock layers. The leading theory today points to a visitor from outer space. Scientists found evidence worldwide of a massive asteroid about 10 kilometers wide that slammed into Earth. The impact site, the Gulf of Mexico, a giant crater. The crash was more powerful than all the world's nuclear bombs combined. It triggered enormous tsunamis, widespread earthquakes, and sent a cloud of dust and debris high into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun for months or years. With the sun blocked, plants withered and died. A devastating chain reaction ended the age of dinosaurs. But here's the brilliant part. Dinosaurs aren't completely gone. One small group of feathered dinosaurs survived. Today their descendants are everywhere. They are the birds. The story isn't over, it just took to the skies.